Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you fix failed load content. Please try again and Twitter on Android. I opened the X app on my Android phone recently and got the annoying failed to load content. Please try again message, which basically leaves your feed stuck doing nothing. So the first thing I tried was forcing the app to refresh. I pressed and held the X app icon, tapped app info, then went into force stop, and then reopened the app. Sometimes that alone fixes it. If it still doesn't load, I switch things up by changing my connection, either toggling Wi Fi and mobile data, or even turning on a VPN to see if the issue is network related. Another fix that usually works is clearing the app data. I go back to app info, tap storage, then hit clear cache, and sometimes clear data if needed. After reopening and signing back in, the feed often loads normally again, and if all else fails, reinstalling the app gives it a clean reset, kind of like giving X a fresh start. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.